Welcome to the AWS Fundamentals series on Coursera. I'm Alan Goldberg, Technical Program Manager in AWS Training and Certification. In this class, Going Cloud Native, we will focus on some key technology areas and services. Specifically, for compute, we will look at Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud and Amazon Lightsail. We will discuss virtual private cloud and other networking technologies. For storage, we'll see how to use Amazon S3, Elastic Block Storage, and Elastic File Service. We'll also explore Amazon DynamoDB and Amazon Relational Database Service. How do you monitor and scale your application environment? We'll use Amazon CloudWatch and autoscaling. Finally, we'll examine how you can secure your environment in AWS and manage cost. We'll do all of this through a cloud-based application that we'll build over the course of the class. The app stores images and information about fictional employees in a company. There's no coding requirement for this course. All of the examples and demonstrations will use the AWS Management Console. I will be joined in this class by two of my AWS training and certification colleagues, Blaine Sundrand and Morgan Willis. In the next segment, we'll introduce ourselves and then move on to course content. Blaine will begin with an overview of AWS, where he'll talk about AWS regions and availability zones and why they matter. Morgan will then walk you through our application, introduce you to compute services, and dive deeper into Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, or EC2. Blaine will finish up the first module with a look at Amazon Lightsail, a service that allows you to quickly and easily spin up entire web-based application servers with just a few clicks. Along the way, there will be quizzes and links to resources to help make sure you are on the right track. So again, welcome to Going Cloud Native on AWS. And as we say at Amazon, work hard, have fun, make history.